Your AI agent is only as smart as the context you give it, and right now, that context is a mess. Think about what an agent needs to actually be useful: your table schemas, your metric definitions, your run books, your API notes. So, where does all of that live? Scattered across data catalogs, wikis, shared drives, code comments, and people's heads. As Google puts it, every team is solving the same problem from scratch, and the knowledge stays locked behind whatever tool created it. But there's a pattern teams already use: let the AI read and update knowledge files like code. Google just turned that into an open standard. It's called OKF, the Open Knowledge Format. An open, vendor neutral way to store your knowledge as plain files any agent can read and share. No lock in. Works with any cloud, any model, and your knowledge base gets smarter as your agents curate it. Next, how the format actually works. It's simpler than you think. Here's the surprise about Google's open knowledge format: it's not a database, it's not an API, it's just a folder of markdown files. The whole thing is called a bundle, a directory you can ship as a Git repo, a zip, or a subfolder. Inside, every idea is one markdown file, one concept per file: a table, a metric, a playbook, an API. And here's the clever part: the file path is its identity. The file at tables dash slash dash users just is the concept tables users. No ID database needed. Each file opens with a small block of YAML. Only one field is required: the type. Everything else is optional. The body is plain markdown, schemas, examples, notes. And when one file links to another, that link becomes a relationship. Your folder quietly turns into a knowledge graph: simple, readable, and hard to break. Next, what you can actually build with it. So you've got a folder of markdown. What can you actually build? Turns out a lot. One, data catalogs. Auto document every BigQuery table with schemas and join paths so your data agents actually know what they're querying. Two, incident runbooks. Standardized so your on-call AI can read them and act. Three, API catalogs. Machine readable docs, deprecation notices, integration paths, all in one format. Four, a living knowledge base, an internal wiki that gets more accurate as your agents keep it updated. And Google didn't just ship a spec, they shipped an enrichment agent that documents a whole data set for you, and a visualizer that turns any bundle into an interactive graph in a single file where your data never leaves your machine. The best part: it's vendor neutral. No proprietary account, no lock in, and it's still version 0.1, an open starting point. Whatever shape your knowledge takes, OKF wants to be the language your agents share it in. Start with the one page spec.